In the symphony of mechanical marvels that is your car, the role of fluids cannot be overstated. They are the lifeblood that keeps your vehicle running smoothly, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. But how often should you be peering under the hood to check on these vital fluids? Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey through the periodicity of fluid checks that will keep your car humming like a well-tuned engine. Engine oil, the heartbeat of your car. Regularly checking your engine oil is akin to monitoring your own pulse. It's the fundamental fluid that lubricates and cools your engine, preventing friction-related wear and tear. As a general rule of thumb, aim for an oil check every month or before embarking on long journeys. Your engine will thank you with a smoother, more efficient ride. Transmission fluid. Smooth shifting, smooth riding. Much like oil for the engine, transmission fluid ensures seamless gear shifts. Check it at least every 6 months or as per your vehicle's manual. A healthy transmission not only improves performance but also safeguards against costly repairs down the road. Coolant, guarding against overheating. Your car's coolant is its armor against overheating. Make it a habit to check the coolant levels and condition every 3 to 6 months. This preventive measure can save your engine from the scorching effects of overheating and extend its lifespan. Brake fluid, stopping safely. When it comes to safety, brake fluid takes center stage. Ensure a brake fluid check every 6 months or as recommended by your vehicle's manual. It's a small act that plays a big role in keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. Power steering fluid, effortless maneuvering. Power steering fluid facilitates smooth steering, making your driving experience more enjoyable. Check it every 3 to 6 months to maintain that effortless control and prevent potential power steering system issues. Regularly checking your car's fluids is not just a chore, it's a commitment to the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle. By adopting a proactive approach to fluid maintenance, you're not only ensuring a smoother ride, but also potentially saving yourself from hefty repair bills in the future. So, pop the hood and make fluid checks a routine part of your car care regimen. Empower yourself with the knowledge to keep your car running in peak condition. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on car maintenance tips. And don't forget to share this guide with fellow car enthusiasts. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a piece of advice that could save you time, money, and keep your ride in top-notch shape. Happy driving!